Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Solution. This question was asked in GATE 2014 in set 4. And in the question, the binesymmetric channel is given and the value is shown here. And we are asked to find out if the output is 0, then the probability that input is also 0 is equal to. In binesymmetric channel, this is input and this is output. And input, this is x1 and this is x2. In output, this is y1 and this is y2. This is transmitted signal. Input is transmitted signal and output is received signal. Then we are asked to find out the probability that if the output is 0, then probability that input is also 0. If we want to represent it in terms of x and y, then it is written as probability that output is 0. This 0 is represented by y1. Then probability that input is also 0. This input is given as x1. This x1 is always transmitted signal and this y1 is always received signal. This px1 by y1 is read as probability of transmitting x1 when y1 is already received. In this denominator part y1 is already happened. If it is written as py by x, then we can read as probability of receiving y when x is already transmitted. This question of binesymmetric channel was solved with the help of Bayes theorem, and this is given like this: p x1 by y1 equal to probability of x1 into probability of y1 by x1 divided by total probability, that is p x1 p y1 by x1 plus p x2 into p y1 by x2. Meaning of this is the probability of x1, and in the question it is given that the input has equal probability, that is 0.5 for this x1 and 0.5 for this x2. It is given in the question that input has the equal probability, and the meaning of p y1 by x1 is probability of receiving y1 when x1 is transmitted, and the meaning of this p y1 by x2, that probability of receiving y1 when x2 is transmitted. We have two probability to receive the y1, either x1 is transmitted or x2 is transmitted. That's why the Bayes theorem is written like this. So to find out the value of this p 0 by 0 or p x1 by y1 is this. The value of p x1 is 0.5 and p y1 by x1 is 1. Divide by p x1 is given as 0.5 and p y1 by x1 is given as 1 plus p x2 is given as 0.5 into P y1 by x2 is given as 0.25. Then By solving we get 0.5 is cancelled out from here and we get 1 divided by 1 plus 1.25 equal to 0.8. Answer. Thank you. This question was asked in GATE 2015 in set 1, and in the question the binary symmetric channel is given in which the crossover probability is given as 1 by 7, and we are asked to find out if the received bit y equal to 0, then probability that 1 was transmitted. As you know that this is input which is transmitted and this is output which are received. The transmitted bit is given as x1 and it is x2. In the question it is given that the probability of x1 is 0.2 whereas probability of x2 is 0.8, and this is received bit y1 and y2. We are asked to find out if the received bit is 0, then the probability that 1 was transmitted. Then in terms of this is received bit, this is already received bit and this is transmitted bit. Then in terms of x and y, it is written as probability that 1 is transmitted. This 1 is x2, and when y1 is already received, we can also write is like this, x2 by y1, that is probability of transmitting x2 when y1 is already received. This binary symmetric channel was solved using Bayes' theorem, in which this denominator terms is already known. Whether it is transmitted bit or received bit, it is already known. Therefore, it is solved by Bayes' theorem. And the Bayes' theorem for this is given as p x2 by y1 equal to p x2 p y1 by x1 divided by p, this is x2, p x2 divided by p y1 by x2 plus p x1 p y1 by x1. The meaning of this is probability of receiving y1 when x2 is transmitted, and meaning of this p y1 by x1 is probability of receiving y1 when x1 is transmitted. There are two probability receiving that y1, either x1 is transmitted or x2 is transmitted. Therefore, we have to apply the Bayes' theorem. If you put the value of this p x2 by y1, which is also written as p y1 by 0. Therefore, the value of p x2 is 0.8 as already given in the question, and p y1 by x2 is given as 1 by 7 divided by p x2 is 0.8 into p y1 by x1 is 1 by 7 plus p x1 is given as 0.2 and p y1 by x1 is given as 6 by 7. Then this 7 is cancelled out from numerator and denominator, and this 0.8 divided by 0.8 plus 0.2 into 6, that is 1.2. Therefore 0.8 divided by 2, which is 0.4. Thank you.